Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com, the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, we're coming in with a really cool product. This is from iLive or iLive electronics.com. You can go to their website and check it out. This is a version of Amazon Echo that's a third party, obviously, and this is called the Concierge. It's a wireless speaker with Amazon Alexa built into it. It's a platinum version, and basically it has the same, it's supposed to have the same features of Alexa, I guess, work with it. You can actually take this and make it it's voice activated, built-in Wi-Fi direct or Bluetooth wireless, auxiliary in. You can stream from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, or audio stored on your device. High performance drive for detailed audio, multi-room and multi-user cable, free Wi-Fi or iLive Wi-Fi app download, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and micro USB for battery recharge. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what's inside. This is kind of interesting. There's third-party people doing Amazon Echo, which is probably smart on Amazon Echo's part, because by doing it that way, they can get more Amazon Echoes out into the wild. So let's go ahead and open this up. You can kind of see what that looks like. This one's got a kind of a nice sort of woven, clothy sort of outside. I'm not sure what you call it. Looks like we have the top here. So you can see the top. Let's see if we can power this baby up. It's fairly light.
Or on. Wi-Fi mode.
Okay, so it's got Wi-Fi mode on it. And it just talks like that. I don't know if there's any tappability to it. Across the back here we have a whole lot of buttons. We've got, looks like a speaker, mute, volume up, volume down. This is also pairing, but pause and play. Power on, DC, power in, and auxiliary audio in. So looks like it just has a little top there. I don't sense there's any sort of thing. It's got a grammatized bottom to it, fairly light and, you know, kind of good looking. Looks like we've got some cableage here. We've got an audio in cable and then a USB cable to plug it into like a computer or something. I guess they don't give you a thing, but you've got instructions there as well. So what we're going to do is take all this, put it together, come back and tell you what we really think after some testing.
Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like. Hard rock and metal from Amazon Music.
With your soul. Hey Alexa, what's the date today? Hey Alexa, what's the date today?
It's Friday, December 22nd.
Hey Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Las Vegas, it's 40 degrees with clear skies. Tonight's forecast has just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 35 degrees.
Overall, it seems like a nice product, fairly inexpensive and kind of different from what you normally find with the Amazon products. One thing you did notice in the video, it is a little slow on response, where it takes a little while to get the data as opposed to the normal units you buy from Amazon. So, you know, I can recommend it. It does the job, and you know, whatever, when it comes down to it, you can decide which you like best. Go to iLiveelectronics.com. Check out the iLive voice-activated Amazon Alexa portable wireless fabric speaker.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box.
I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way, got to find out what's in the box.